Yo, what's going on, boys? Got a trade recap for yesterday's price action in the PM session. Let me come on over here. I took two trades, one break even, one loss. The loss was a FOMO trade, so I'm not very happy with that. But this is going to be a real quick one. I just want to get this trade recap out of the way because price action is still playing out. There's just no entry for me. Anyways, wanted to be bullish, but I wanted to see the retrace. I tried to play a retracement model. We're reacting out of this daily gap, so this market maker model is just still, we're being brought up towards this daily draw. Zooming into a 4 hour, we're pushing out this 4 hour gap. We pumped past new week opening gap. We displaced into the upside. Anyways, we had this unfilled 4 hour down here, and then we zoom in. We actually tapped this hourly gap and expanded off of it, but I wasn't convinced with this hourly gap. Like, we literally barely tapped into it. And then if we zoom into a 15-minute, again, hourly gets tapped, and then we run this internal hourly high. Once we ran that internal high, then this trade recap is going to be so quick because, like, I just want to get this out of the way. Once we took that hourly high, so this buy model, this internal buy model through here is complete. We ended up putting in an SMT. ES ended up taking this internal high, got a clean shift lower, pull back to the gap, and then I went break even because we put an SMT. This was my break even low, but we put an SMT. So I put my stops to break even. We end up getting ran, and then we move again back to the upside. We take out the highs, and then honestly we displace through this. So why am I taking a short here, man? I was just like really convinced on shorts. Like, in hindsight, this was such a shitty trade, and yeah, it was FOMO. But we displaced to the upside, and then I still get convinced on shorts from this gap. Because I wanted to see equilibrium of this range get met and potentially even dig into this hourly gap more, because I wasn't convinced with this. We barely tap into it. And there's so much sell side, so. But yeah, anyway, we've just been ripping to the upside, man. Lost around $800 on that trade. 400 on each account. So, you know, we're just bouncing back and forth right now between wins and losses, but hopefully I can just lock back in and, you know, continue trading how I did to get that pass, to get that payout. Anyway, right now, price action. Let's see here. Let's just delete this. Delete all this noise in here. Delete that, delete that. So we've just taken this daily draw on ES, we've taken this daily draw on NQ, so there's a bearish SMT here, ES hasn't got here yet, but I'm not really worried about anything bearish right now. 4 hour chart, again, we just haven't rebalanced at all through here. I want to see a rebalance, man. I want to see a rebalance. Zoom into an hourly. Again, we're just displacing to the upside. I need some high time frame structure to confirm rebalances down here, man. There's no way I'm shorting against this. 15. Cool, so we have this 15-minute gap here. What's the time anyway? Okay, we're coming up to 10:45. But yeah, 15-minute here and here. For now, I'm just gonna trade with the internal model and just tap in here and then target the high that we leave behind. And that's that. So we'll see if we get anything before 11, but 9:30 opened and we just ripped. So there was no entry for me, unfortunately. But is what it is. Yeah, oh wait, no, that's not it on NQ. It's just on ES. We have the 15-minute gap. So that's the trade recap. If I get anything before 11 a.m. New York time, then I'll upload another video. But if not, then yeah, I'm back for PM session. So I will catch you later on, boys, for a PM session. Jesus Christ, my hair's all over the shop. I need a shower. Anyways, see you later.